So here is how that it will initially take off. You'll see this pop up. You'll see a visual come up here in a second. You have the super trend dots that are right here. That's what we're using for a stop. For some reason, this would not go to the target. There we go. Now we got our visual. But if we do not get down there and this would actually change and the signal disappear, this will disappear. So it looks like we're going to enter the trade. We are just selling off pretty good today. See what happens here. Just hope we get another trade. And we did. Now we cannot lose. We are doing real well today. Doing very well. And we have not touched this bot. We're just letting it run. The bot is doing all the work. We haven't touched a thing on it. Doing very well. We can't lose money. Our break-even's already down. We've already taken 2 contracts, getting ready to take this 3rd one, and then hopefully another good runner. So there's 3 contracts closed out. We're over $6,000. That's $6,434.84. We've got a couple $100 on our runner right there. So right now, if we wanted to pause it, we could click pause and not run anymore. But if we want to keep on running, we just make it green. Working good. We are up 64.85.76 live account. It's good money. Very good money. So we've got 3 trades right there. Doing very good. Any questions, let me know. SpyMoneyLLC.com. There's a contact page on there. You can contact me. Let me know how we can get you started today. Have a great day.